When you buy me a drink, I have a story to tell you. No, it's a joke. This place is called SG Bole at 638. This coffee shop used to house the famous Johor Road pork porridge. So a lot of people have been eating this pork porridge since they are young. So many generations have been eating there in this coffee shop. Now the whole place is being revamped, and I first tried the牛肉面 Kubak Kway Teow, beef Kway Teow. Well, the taste is a bit saltish because nowadays I take less salt. I just finished my Kubak Kway Teow. That's $7. I paid by CBC. The dry one, the gravy is a little bit salty, but no complaint. I think could be because nowadays I don't take too much salt. So when there a little bit more salt, the taste will be very salty. So I just finished mine. So now I'm doing some recording about this coffee shop. These coffee shops have been renewed and renovated. It's quite nice. The setting is more like my neighborhood, Suite 81, the PK coffee shop. The taco and so forth. Now it's put it down there is at the 638 coffee shop. They call it 638 coffee shop. SG Bole. It's SG Bole nowadays, not Malaysia Bole. So it's quite interesting the way they advertise, the way they branded their products. Quite refreshing. The chicken wings rice is still at a long queue there. So let me point out so that your guys. Now I'm recording with the camera facing out. The Johor Road King pork porridge still around. So maybe later on I will try that. The chicken wings rice still as famous as before. You can see that the queue is lined up out to the coffee shop outside because they open up at 11 a.m. So most of the queue they are really forming up there. The Johor Road King pork porridge still as famous. So the younger boss are so busy answering the telephone to take orders. I'm not too sure they can accept CBC. But anyway, there's no big deal. So I'm back to the chicken rice, fried chicken wing, chicken rice. You can see that the queue is so long. They have a big fan that's blowing, but still because of the heat being generated, it's
and especially in the hot afternoon, hot morning, the heat is terrible. But anyway, we are going for the good food. The ambience is quite nice. It whet your appetite up. I think they have blended quite a nice way. The PK coffee shop at the Street 81, that's my neighborhood. They are using the same kind of design setup, but the name they have changed it. This coffee shop is known as SG Boleh at 638. It's not Malaysia Boleh, it's SG Boleh now. But I'm not too sure whether it's actually belong to the same bosses. But anyway, these people are now very creative. I love the way they're marketing. Because I was a marketing manager, I know that marketing is a very good way to promote your product and advertise yourself properly. If you have the right thing, you can actually run a lot of things. Because formerly you have to use a website and then you have to upload your details up to that so that people can make a choice. Now it's so easy. You just need a smartphone with a camera ready type. The device may not be as super as Apple, but it's quite decent. Well, you can see the recording that I'm putting on. It's quite recent. It's Oppo brand. I bought it at less than $200, so it still can work well. So I hope you can support me and give me more thumbs up. Then subscribe it if you haven't subscribed before. So this is very nice way to persuade you to look at it at the same time. Thank you so much. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much.